So this is how you unbox and set up the HP DeskJet 4220E printer. Introducing the HP DeskJet 4220E all-in-one printer. This is an A4 color DeskJet printer perfect for home use. It features print, copy and scan with a print speed of up to 20 ppm for black and 5.5 ppm for color. It supports Apple AirPrint, it has got USB, wireless printing, Google Cloud Print and wireless direct printing. Best of all, it comes with 3 months of Instant Ink free if you are to activate HP Plus at setup with an Instant Ink enrollment. So we're going to unbox this printer and set it up. This is what you see once you open up the box. You've got the setup guide, you've got the reference guide, it's got the HP Limited warranty statement as well as some safety information. It's got the Instant Ink flyer. Over here you've got the ink as well as the power cable as shown. Let's remove the printer from the box. Remove printer by first laying the printer box on its sides and pulling out the printer. We need to open this. There's a piece of cardboard that we need to remove. Next, let's plug in the power cable and power on the printer. Plug the power cable into the power port located at the back of the printer. Plug the power plug into a power socket and turn on the power. Power on the printer by pressing on the power button over here. Next, let us install the inks and load the paper. So this is the set of setup cartridges that came in box. Remove the print cartridges from its packaging. Let's open the cartridge access door. There's a front door and that is the cartridge access door. Let's install the color cartridge first. Remove the tape. Do not touch the nozzles or even the electrical contacts. Load in the cartridge as shown. Do the same for the black cartridge. Let's load paper. Pull up the input tray. You need to push the blue guide all the way to the left. Take a stack of plain paper and load it into the input tray as shown. Push the blue guide until it just touches the edge of the paper. The paper is now loaded. An alignment page will be printed. Scan the alignment page by putting it on the flatbed scanner and pressing on either copy buttons to scan the alignment page. So we'll use an Android phone to set up the printer. We will need the HP Smart App. So from your Android phone, go to Play Store and do a search for HP Smart. Install the HP Smart App. Once the app is installed, open the app. We need to accept all options. Since this is a first time setup, let's create an account. We need to enter the 6-digit verification code. You can either verify using the email or you can enter the 6-digit verification code. Your account is created on HP Smart and you can add your first printer. We'll set up a new printer. We will connect this printer over Wi-Fi and continue. Here are some steps to get the printer ready to connect over Wi-Fi. Read through and continue. It has found our printer. Select that. Do note that this printer only supports 2.4 GHz. So if your Android phone is connected to a 5 GHz, you will need to change it to 2.4 GHz. Let's key in the Wi-Fi password. We need to press and release the flashing information button. You can see that the wireless LED is now solid. It is connected to the network. Let's continue. Connected printing services. We'll accept all. We need to select our country or region. So we'll select United States. For HP Plus, we'll skip for now. So we'll select Do Not Activate HP Plus. Let's decline HP Plus. Let's continue. For printer updates, you can select Auto Update or Notify. We'll select Auto Update. Let's apply. The setup is complete. Let's print. Tap on Print. So this is the first document that you have printed from your HP DeskJet 4220E. For print from other devices, we'll select Not Right Now. Our setup is complete. So this is how you unbox and set up the HP DeskJet 4220E printer.